You can get 5% cash back with Amazon Prime for young adults. You might have known it previously as Amazon Prime Student, but if you sign up, you get a 6-month free trial and then you get Amazon Prime for half off. And during that, you actually get this 5% cash back. So I'll leave a link to this page in the description down below that you can click and it will take you right here. Whether you have a Prime account already or you're just signing up for the first time, you can get this 5% cash back with Amazon Prime that you can't get on the regular Amazon Prime subscription. All you have to do to qualify is be between 18 and 24 years old or a student. Either or, and you can qualify. You verify as a student or you can verify as an 18 to 24-year-old. You see here that you get this 5% cash back, and after the trial is over, you actually get Amazon Prime for 50% off. Now, if you already have Amazon Prime and you're trying to switch to this, then you'll get that discounted rate when you switch, as long as you're eligible. So that's how you can get 5% cash back on Amazon Prime. Basically, check out the terms. There's an FAQ at the bottom of the other page that we were on here that talks to you about cash back here. And there's actually a page that you can visit in the support and you can read the full terms and like how you can actually get all of the cash back and how much you can spend and all that kind of stuff. So the 5% cash back is a really awesome limited time offer for Amazon Prime for young adults.